In today's video, we'll be walking through how to upload files to SKYSITE. From any folder you've created on the left, you can click the Upload File button. Here you can drag and drop your files into the box or click Choose Files on your PC. Once you've selected the files you'd like to add, you can either upload without indexing or upload with indexing. Upload with indexing is used for any file that you expect to be changed frequently throughout the project and would like to keep track of all versions. Upload without indexing is used for any file that you'd like to add to SKYSITE but do not necessarily need to keep track of which version you're on. Once you're finished uploading your files, you're taken to the Publish File screen. This is where our system is intaking all of those files and converting them to be viewable on cell phones and tablets. We're also running our OCR logic in the background to ensure that all the text on every page is searchable, as well as identifying the title blocks and callouts and details for our hyperlinking features. Once your files are finished processing, you're taken to the publishing log, where you can finalize the publishing process by clicking Publish Now. Next up, I'm taken to the publishing screen where I can add sheet level details to every file we've added. I'm choosing to index by sheet number, which means SKYSITE is automatically identifying the sheet number and discipline for each file. Here I can add the revision information. Maybe it's a previous revision, or maybe it's a brand new revision. In this scenario, I'm adding ASI number 8, and it came out on November the 16th. Lastly, I have the option to add sheet level descriptions. These are optional, but it does make searching and finding content much easier for the end user. Once I've populated all my details, I click the Publish button. These files are all now available on the SKYSITE platform and syncing out to any devices that have access to this project.